Here is the payoff. Claude Sonnet has turned a fictional company's supplied figures into calculated metrics, data-backed observations, and 3 unanswered risk questions. The response also states that no investment recommendation is intended or implied. This tutorial demonstrates an educational analysis workflow only. It does not evaluate a real stock or provide financial advice. Open Claude and tap the 3-line menu in the upper left corner. Select New Chat at the bottom of the panel. A blank conversation keeps earlier context out of the exercise. Before you begin, prepare a clearly labeled fictional dataset and decide which formulas, assumptions, strengths, risks, and safeguards you want Claude to show. The prompt identifies North Star Solar as entirely fictional, supplies 4 quarters of revenue, operating expense, and free cash flow, then adds fictional shares and price. It requests quarter-over-quarter growth, operating margin, free cash flow margin, annualized 4th quarter revenue, market cap, and price to sales. It also requires assumptions, strengths, risk questions, no external facts, and no buy or sell advice. Send the prompt. Claude first repeats the supplied quarterly data so you can compare it with the prompt. In the calculation table, 2nd quarter revenue growth is 10%, 3rd quarter growth is negative 4.55%, and 4th quarter growth is 19.05%. Operating margin moves from 10% to 13.64, 4.76, and 12%. Verify each value before using the analysis. The separate arithmetic shows 4th quarter revenue annualized to $100 million, fictional market capitalization of $80 million, and annualized price to sales of 0.8 times. Claude states that annualizing assumes the 4th quarter run rate continues unchanged for 4 quarters, and it treats the $8 share price as a static snapshot. The first strength says the 4th quarter is strongest across all 3 metrics: $25 million of revenue, a 12% operating margin rebound, and a 10% free cash flow margin. Now review the risks as questions rather than conclusions. The first asks whether the 3rd quarter operating margin and free cash flow margin drop was a one-off or a sign of instability that could recur. The second asks what drove quarter-over-quarter revenue growth to swing from plus 10% to negative 4.5% to plus 19%, and whether growth is predictable enough to extrapolate. The third compares operating expense growth from $18 to $22 million with revenue growth and asks whether cost discipline is slipping. Claude ends by saying, the analysis uses only supplied figures, no external market data, comparables, or valuation benchmarks, and nothing is investment advice. The reliable method is to label the example, supply bounded data, request formulas, separate assumptions, frame uncertainty as questions, verify every calculation, and never treat AI output as a buy or sell decision. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Android tutorials.